Hey guys, welcome to But's Kitchen. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get notified about all our new videos. Today we'll be making vegetable kofta curry. This recipe might seem lengthy and intimidating, but it's very easy. We are making this recipe in two parts, first the kofta and then the curry. Let's begin. In a pan on medium flame, add 1 teaspoon of oil and 1 teaspoon of butter. Once the butter has melted, add 2 thinly sliced onions. Mix it before adding a few pods of garlic, around 3 to 4 green chilies, and some small pieces of ginger. Once you've added that, give it a mix and then add around 4 thinly sliced tomatoes. Now add around 15 to 20 pieces, around a handful, of soaked cashews. Now cover the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, the tomatoes will be fully cooked, so you can now keep it aside and let it cool. Now let's start making our kofta. In a bowl, add chopped beans, carrots, paneer, capsicum, cashews, around 2 chopped green chilies, and coriander leaves. To this, add mashed or grated boiled potatoes and then mix it well. Once it's completely mashed and mixed, add 1 teaspoon of coriander and jeera powder, a quarter teaspoon of garam masala, a little bit of salt for taste, around half teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and finally 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix everything well. Now make small balls of this mixture . Your vegetable balls are ready to be fried. Heat some oil in a vessel on medium flame, and then once it's a little hot, it's time to fry our vegetable balls. If these balls turn dark too quickly, lower the flame. If it's turning golden brown slowly, it means the oil temperature is perfect. Once it's all golden, take it out and place it on a piece of tissue so it can absorb the excess oil. Now let's go back to making our curry. Let's bring back the cooked tomato mixture that we had kept aside to cool. Pour it in a mixie and grind it until it becomes a smooth paste. Once it's grinded, strain this mixture. Now in a pan, add 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then add the strained mixture. To this add 1 teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder and half teaspoon of garam masala. Now cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. Once it's cooked, remove the cover and lower the gas. Now add a little salt for taste and then add 2 tablespoons of cream and keep mixing. Crush some kasuri methi between your palms and then add it to the curry. Now add some coriander leaves and bring it to a boil. That's it, and our curry is ready. Place 3 to 4 vegetable kofta in a bowl and pour the curry on top. You can garnish it with coriander leaves and a little more malai or the cream. And our homemade vegetable kofta curry is now ready. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with your friends. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to be informed about our latest recipes. Until our next video, keep cooking, keep eating, and keep watching Butt's Kitchen. Stay at home and stay safe.